In this video, I am going to show you how we can configure the FTP and transfer files via FTP to and from the FTP server. So we need a router. One 2911 series router. And one FTP server. This is only for demonstration purpose. You can in real world you can use the FileZilla server or client, but in packet tracer you can use like this. So first of all, we will give the IP address, one common IP address to the router and one to the switch end, and server end. Now go to the switch server. And on desktop, give the IP address. Make sure you can reach the router. Now go to the services tab, and here you can see the FTP. So by default, one username and one password is already set, and permission is by default read, write, delete, list, and rename. All the permission has been given. Now we need to pick this username and password and configure it on the router. So type here IP FTP username Cisco, IP FTP password, IP FTP password Cisco. So now the configuration has been done, and this particular password and username and password will be in unencrypted form even if you use the service password encryption command. Don't forget that. Now we can see here in our FTP server, there are files already uploaded. We will upload our file of 2911 series, which is not in the FTP server. So first of all, we need to get our file name with the show flash command. So this is the file C2900 series. And this is the size and this is the file series number. So copy that. Now we need to issue this command, copy flash FTP. Source file name, which is I have copied earlier. Address of the remote host is the FTP server. And destination file name, if you don't want to change the file name, the exact file name will be this. So this is writing this file. You can check it from here. The data is being sent and received from both the end. So it will take some time, like 10 minutes in the packet tracer itself because the file size is large. So I'm going to pause this video and I will return when the transfer completes. So stay. So the file has been transferred to the FTP server. Let's see whether it has been transferred or not. So go to your FTP server and click on FTP. And here you will see this file. So this is our file 151-4. Already there is 155-3 file. So now we will test whether we can transfer this file back from the FTP server to the router or not. So just inverse the command. Copy FTP slash address of the source file name is this. Already we have copied, and destination file name I will put here in my file system as test FTP. So when this file transfer completes, we will check with the show flash command. So once again, I am pausing this video and I will return when the transfer completes. So now you can see the file has been copied. So let's check with the show flash command. So yes, there is the file with the name of test FTP. So in this way, you can copy the file from to and from the FTP server. Thanks for watching.